Welcome to AnySecura. In this video, we'll demonstrate how the print control module works in real-world scenarios. This model enables centralized control and auditing of all documents printing activities. It helps prevent sensitive and high-value information from being leaked through printing and protects your organization from data loss. Here's what happens when document printing is fully controlled. Watermarks, QR codes, and traceable information are automatically applied, and unauthorized prints are blocked. Looks simple, right? But behind this, a lot is happening to make sure every print is secure. Let's walk through how AnySecura's Print Control module makes this possible step by step. The first step is to configure the print watermark templates. From the console, click Category Management and navigate to Watermark Template. Select Print Watermark Template, then click the plus icon in the upper left corner to create a new template. Enter a name for the template. In this example, it is named Print Watermark for Demo. Set the opacity to 60% to ensure the watermark is clearly visible without affecting readability. Next, select the watermark targets. Multiple targets can be enabled at the same time. Here, specified position and tile are selected to display the print watermarks. Under specified position, add watermark objects. This section supports text, image, and QR code watermarks. First, add an image watermark. Assign a recognizable name, upload the image file, and adjust its size for proper placement. Set the display mode to on the top of the content to ensure the watermark is not covered by the document content. Next, add a QR code watermark under specified position. The QR code embeds important information such as the IP address, computer group, and date. Now, add a tile watermark and select text as the watermark type. Insert dynamic elements such as IP address, computer group, and date. Then fine-tune the parameter settings to optimize the appearance. With the watermark template ready, it's time to put it into action. Next, we'll create and apply print watermark policies for different departments so the right watermark shows up in the right place at the right time. In the function menu, click Watermark. Then select the department where the policy will be created. Here, we start with the marketing department. Click the red plus icon to create a new policy and give it a clear, descriptive name. Then, select the watermark template that was configured earlier. Next, specify the applications where the policy should take effect. In this example, Word and FreeCAD are selected by entering their process names. The same configuration is then applied to the finance department. Print watermark policies can also be restricted by printer type, printer name, or print task. Since no restrictions are configured here, the policy applies to all printers and all print jobs. With the policies in place, we can now test the printing behavior. A document is opened in Word under the marketing department and sent to print. The original document contains no watermark, while the printed output clearly displays the configured watermark. Next, a CAD project is printed using FreeCAD. As shown on the screen, the watermark is successfully applied, including the image watermark, text watermark, and QR code. The same tests are then performed for the finance department using Word and FreeCAD. The Word printout displays finance-specific watermark information. And the FreeCAD output behaves in the same way. Scanning the QR code retrieves all relevant details, showing how fully traceable printing can be. But traceability isn't always enough. Sometimes, printing needs to be blocked completely. Let's see how to set print blocking policies to stop unauthorized printing in its tracks. From the console, click Advanced Policy in the Function menu. Then select Print Control. Choose the department where the policy should apply, and click the plus icon to add a new policy. Assign a name to the policy, and set the action to block. A warning message can be configured to inform users that printing has been disabled. The Record Screen option can also be enabled, allowing auditors to review on-screen activity when a print attempt occurs. Click Save to apply the policy. Next, we verify the print blocking behavior. When attempting to print from Word, a warning dialog appears, and the print job is blocked. The same result occurs when printing from FreeCAD. Although an output file appears on the desktop, it is actually invalid. Any interrupted print job shows that the blocking policy works, but what if an employee has a legitimate need to print? That's where the print request and approval workflow comes in. Let's walk through how it works. In the navigation bar, click Request Management, then go to Desktop Request Management and open Approval Process Management. Click the plus icon to add a new approval process. Select Marketing as the department that requires approval, and set the request type to Print and Print without Watermark. Give this approval stage a clear name. Then choose Approved by Designated Person and assign the Marketing Manager as the approver. Multiple approvers can also be selected if required. Click Finish, then enable the approval process by selecting it and clicking the Save icon in the upper right corner. Next, go to Request Permission and set the approval state for Print and Print without Watermark to Allow for the Marketing Department. The approval configuration is now complete. To verify the setup, a print attempt is made in FreeCAD. As expected, printing is not allowed before a request is submitted. Now, open the system tray in the lower right corner. Right-click the encryption client with the lock icon and select Desktop Management Applications. Set the request item to Print and enter a request reason so the approver understands why printing is required. The request can also be limited to a specific task, printer, or application. If no restriction is configured, the request applies to all print jobs. A temporary validity period for printing can also be specified. Submit the request and wait for approval. Next, sign in to the AnySecura web console as the Marketing Manager. Go to Approval Management, then select Desktop Management to view the submitted request. Open the request to review details such as group, user, request reason, and print settings. Then click Approve. A notification confirms that the request has been approved, and the Print Allow policy takes effect. Printing is then tested again in FreeCAD and Word. Both print jobs are completed successfully. This is how a print job is requested and approved. Finally, let's explore the print audit logs to see how every print is tracked and verified. Click Events Log in the function menu. Then select Print. All print records are displayed here, including printer type, user, group, page count, and application. If Record Screen was enabled in the Print Control policy, the screen recording of the print activity can also be reviewed. The search panel on the right allows print logs to be quickly filtered by time, printer type, and other conditions.
That's a wrap on AnySecura Print Control module. Every point action is now visible, traceable, and controllable. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on keeping your documents secure.